Hi folks, this is Likhitha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Code to Create. In today's video, you're going to see how to create an e-commerce app, and that's the part 1. So let's get started. This is how our e-commerce app is going to look like. We're going to say add cart, and then you go to the cart and you can see there is the item there. And when you say you want to view this item, you can say these are headphones, did you like it? You have the description about this. And here you have the price, and then you can just say go back to store. And then we have the checkout. So let me say checkout. Yes, you have your name, email, address, and later you're gonna put all your card details of PayPal. So now let's see how to create this model. I'm gonna go to Spider, and I've created a new file, and I'm gonna save this file in. I've created a new folder that says e-commerce. I'm gonna save this as. And I'm going to save this as admin, and let me just save. Yes, first I'm going to import Django as admin, because we have to import this file admin to many other places. So I'm going to say from django.contribute import admin, because we need to access this admin file from from other files too. So I've imported this, and then I'm going to say from dot models import star. And then I'm going to say admin.site.register customer. Here I'm going to say what is customer, what's a product, what is the order, what is order item, what is shipping address. So I'm going to say customer admin.site.register. Let's do one thing. I'm just going to copy up this line, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, and here I'm just gonna say product, and here I'm gonna say order, and here I'm gonna say order item, and here I'm gonna say shipping address, okay, shipping address, and let me delete this extra line up. Yeah. This is going to be the admin.py. Now let's move to the apps.py. So I'm going to create a new file and save it as apps.py and save. Yes, let me delete this, and then I'm going to say from django.apps import app config, and I'm going to say class. I'm going to create a class called store config. You guys will know this config, app config. The import. And inside this, I'm going to say name is equal to store. And this is only because we have to get the access to store. That means we need to show the display. So I've created this class called store config so that it displays the store. Let me save this. And then I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to name this as test.py. And inside this, I'm going to say from django.test import test case for running this up. So here we're going to create a test case. So here we're going to create the tests. So in this test.py, we're going to create the tests. Let me create a new file and name. And I'm going to name this, I'm going to save this as urls.py. And I'm going to delete up this. Yes. And I'm going to save, from django.urls. This is all about the URL, page URLs. Like when you shift to different pages, you have different URLs. Let me show that to you guys. You can see for the checkout, you have /checkout. For the cart, you have /cart, and then for the view, you have /view item and the item number. So this is all going to be of the URLs. I'm going to say from dot import views to know the number of views. So I'm going to say URL patterns. I'm going to say URL patterns is equal to, and inside this URL patterns, I'm going to create a path for the URL. And inside this URL patterns, I'm going to create a path. So I'm going to say path, and I'm going to create the path for URLs. So I'm going to say comma views dot store comma the name is equal to store comma. The same I'm gonna go do for the checkout, cart and update item. So just copy this up and paste it and paste it. This is gonna be for the cart, so I'm gonna set the cart slash, because for the cart we have, we have to create a separate URL for the cart. So I've created this for the cart, and this is going to be for the store. That means we're going to leave it empty. Let me show you guys. Yes, the URL. I'm just going to leave that empty. Oh, we forgot to import this. I'm going to say import path, and here it's going to be cart, and it's going to be checkout, and here checkout slash, and that's going to be the final one for update item. And the path here, I'm going to set it to update underscore item, and the item number, it's going to be views dot update. Oh, sorry, here it's going to be views dot cart and views dot checkout, and here it's going to be views dot update item, update item. Oh yeah, here for the checkout you're gonna say control C, cart is for C, and then for the store you don't have UL while scanning literal. Oh yeah, missed that. And the name of it is going to be update item, update underscore item. Yeah, so what we did in today's video was we have done the basics like creating the link for each and every page, and we have told that this products is products, the checkout thing is the checkout page is going to be of the checkout, and the update item is going to be the update page. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.